Oh wow, trash! It's Augie's toy time! Hi toys! Bye bye toys!
So you did go to kindergarten. You could have got Augie in trouble. You could have got confiscated.
No!
No, guys. Augie had a great day in class. Then something weird happened. Augie found a new friend. That's great. He's already making new friends. Hey, it's okay. Come on out. Don't be scared. There you go. Come on. Let's get you out. Good. Come out. Everyone, I want you to meet Forky.
Oh cool! He has long arms! Is it trash?
No, they're toys.
The trash?
They're not trash, they're your friends. Woody, I have a question for you. Actually, not one, all of them.
Why wanna go to the trash?
Cause he was made from trash. But isn't he cute? You gotta trust me on this, guys. Forky is the most important toy to Augie right now. But he's a sport. But this little guy puts a big smile on Augie's face. He'll be so excited to unbox it. So we all have to make sure to love him too.
Oh wow, trash! Let me unbox Forky. Huh? Where is he? Hey, what are you doing in the trash, Forky? Let me unbox you. Anyways, now let's unbox it. Out. Here you go. Wow, look at him. He's so cute. Wow. Hey toys, me, my new friend Forky. Can we write my name on his foot?
Yeah.
Wow, I love him. That was fun unboxing Forky. Please like, share, and subscribe.
For more fun videos, please check our channel. Bye.